ACES Global Initiatives program as well as the Aggies Go Global, their mission is to provide every student a meaningful opportunity to go abroad. For example, this China trip, this was partially supported by Aggies Go Global, the advisors of these students, and then the department heads. It was a joint effort of the college to send these students to China Agricultural University to have such an inspiring experience.
The hosts at China Agricultural University were amazing. Everyone was just so open and gracious.
It was definitely a great experience, and I would recommend working with CAU if we get the chance again.
They were hospitable, but also very organized. We were kind of bonding, so by the end of the trip, we developed relationships with them.
So we didn't get a lot of time, but we did see how things work in a university in China compared to what we have here.
First day we have the workshop with graduate students in China Agricultural University. We shared our research project and then we discussed together. I met a student that we're working on the same area, same topics.
It's a good experience to learn how it's applied in another country because every country is different with the way that they handle it.
I teach Intro to Air Pollution class, and one of the things I try to impress on my students is we're all on the globe together, the other parts of the world having the same issues and problems. How can we learn from each other?
Research facilities and research objectives are so similar.
We visited an experimental station. It was really fascinating to see what they were doing in terms of water conservation initiatives.
We're impressed to go to the experimental station.
You know, meeting the students at the experiment station, they actually live there all summer long and some for even longer than that. And the camaraderie they had amongst each other was great to see.
They were very proud of what they do. I encourage our students to be proud of what they do as well, and I think that was a big take-home to see their dedication to their work.
I think we have a lot of things in common with them. For example, their desertification, also salinity problem.
There's a whole community initiative to reverse desertification. Really powerful experience. Real-world research happening in the community.
It seemed like it was very easy for them to do different research projects. They were trying to build an ecosystem in that area, in the Guangzhou province. It was related to increasing water supply.
We went to that place where they have half the precipitation. So, they have different ways of doing things than we do, to manage all those things to produce food.
You always learn a lot when you're in another culture. Just observing people, the atmosphere. I would definitely recommend to anyone to expand beyond their local area.
One of the other aspects of the trip that I really enjoyed was the fact that we actually got to go out into the countryside and see some of the rural areas, cultural areas, and not just the tourist treatment.
The thing that I just found so heartwarming and beautiful is every evening, many people in the community would go down to the square and they would have choreographed dances.
Food in the Guangzhou province, it had spice to it.
Being able to get this initial kind of experience, and even though it was a short trip, it was really beneficial.
The students have told you that CAU and China are such good hosts.
Genuine.
Eye-opening.
Memorable.
Fascinating.
Transformational.
Friendly.